Hello friends, now in this video I will explain all the examples from problem set 1 in a very simple language. Now let us start. नमस्ते विद्यार्थी मित्रो, या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण प्रॉब्लेम सेट 1 बघणार आहोत. मी दोन्ही भाषांमध्ये बोलणार आहे, इंग्रजी आणि त्याचप्रमाणे मराठी. त्यामुळे सेमी इंग्लिशच्या विद्यार्थ्यांना अधिक समजू शकेल. चला तर सुरू करूया. Now the first question, choose the correct alternative answer for each of the following questions. If m is equals to in curly bracket 135, n is equals to in curly bracket 246, then m intersection n, that is a common point, common elements between m and n. Now we will see here is the option A is the correct one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next is a B. 1, 3, 5, C, 5, and D, 2, 4, 6. Now, what elements are common between M and N? That is, no element is common. Therefore, the option C is correct. That is, no element is common. M intersection N is a phi or empty set. Therefore, option C is correct. Okay. There is no common element in the set M and N, and hence option C is correct. Next, P is equals to in curly bracket x is such that x is an odd natural number which lies between 1 and 5, greater than 1, and less than or equal to 5. How to write this set in a roster form? आपल्याला तो roster form मध्ये लिहायचा आहे listing method मध्ये. Now the first is 1, 3, 5. Second, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C is 1, 3 and D is 3, 5. Now x is such that x is odd natural number. Okay, odd natural number पाहिजे आपल्याला. आणि x हा कसा असणार आहे? Greater than 1 and less than or equal to 5. Therefore, the odd numbers between 1 and 5 and equal to 5, greater than 1 and less than or equal to 5 is only 3 and 5. Okay. 1 आपण यामध्ये घेणार नाहीये. This x is a greater than 1. Okay. Therefore, option D is a correct one. As per the condition, 3 and 5 are the required numbers. Next, P is equals to 1, 2, 3 up to 10. What type of set P is? First, null set. B, infinite set. C, finite set. D, none of these. We can count all the elements of the set P. Therefore, it is finite set. आपण सर्व elements एक count करू शकतो. म्हणून त्याला finite set म्हटलं जातं. That is option C is a correct one. The number of elements are countable. Okay, and hence option C is a correct one. Next, M union N is equals to in curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and M is equals to 1, 2, 4. Then which of the following represent set N? Okay. आता इथे आपल्याला M दिलेला त्याने 1, 2, 4 and M union N is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. आपण सगळे ते ऑप्शन त्यामध्ये बघणार. If we take N as 1, 2, 3, but there is not the element 5 and 6. त्यामुळे पहिला ऑप्शन नाही येणार त्यामध्ये. जर B जर आपण त्यामध्ये घेतला, that is M union N means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. म्हणजे हा B ऑप्शन या ठिकाणी करेक्ट आहे. नेक्स्ट, पुढचा देखील नाही होणार त्यामध्ये. 3 नाही येतं त्यांच्यामध्ये. D पण नाही होणार. 4, 5, 6 and hence ऑप्शन B हा कसा आहे तर करेक्ट आहे. 3, 4, 5, 6. काय करणार आपण इथे? N या ऑप्शन मधनं सिलेक्ट करणार आणि त्याचा युनियन कोणाशी करणार? 1 to 4 शी. आणि जर आपल्याला आन्सर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 मिळालं, then that answer is correct one. That is required set N. या ठिकाणी 3, 4, 5, 6 त्याचा युनियन 1 to 4 शी जर केला, then first number will be the 1, second is 2, third is 3, fourth is 4, fifth is 5 and the last is 6, and hence option B is the correct one. Next, if P is a subset of M, then which of the following set represent P intersection in bracket P union M? Now first is P, second is M, third is P union M, and last is P complement intersection M. It's a clear that P union M, okay, P हा M चा सबसेट आहे, M हा बिगर सेट आहे, दोघांचा युनियन किती, दॅट इज अ Mच येणार तो, आणि या दोघातनं P इंटरसेक्शन P युनियन M दॅट इज नथिंग बट P. ओके, तुम्ही ते बघू शकताय. इफ A इज अ सबसेट ऑफ B, A हा स्मॉल सेट आहे, B हा कसा आहे तर तो मोठा आहे, आणि या दोघांचं इंटरसेक्शन घेतला तर आपल्याला या ठिकाणी काय मिळेल तर A मिळेल. अगेन नेक्स्ट, B intersection A is equals to B, then it's a clear that B is a subset of A, and hence P intersection in bracket P union M, and this is again here P intersection P is a P. याची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला किती मिळेल तर P मिळणार, म्हणजे याची व्हॅल्यू M असणार आहे, परंतु M मध्ये काय असणार आहे पुन्हा P असणार आहे. Therefore only the common element between these two is a P, and hence P intersection P is equals to P. Okay, next, and hence that is as a P is a subset of M, hence option A is a correct one. Okay, P union M हा कसा असणार आहे तर तो मोठा सेट असणार आहे, but instead of writing M I am writing here P. Okay, आणि या दोघांचा म्हणजे या दोघांमध्ये कॉमन काय असणार आहे तर तो P असणार आहे. ओके, दोघांमधला कॉमन P असणार आहे, and therefore P intersection P is equals to P. Option A is a correct one. Next, which of the following sets are empty sets? First, set of intersecting points of parallel lines. Second, set of even prime numbers. आपल्याला empty set पाहिजे यामध्ये. Month of an English calendar having less than 30 days. And D, P is equals to in curly bracket X is such that X belongs to set of integer and X lies between -1 and +1. Now first, the set of intersecting points of parallel lines. जर आपण parallel lines येथे विचार केला तर या parallel lines they never intersect each other. Therefore, the set of intersecting points of parallel lines is empty set. Okay. Next, set of even prime numbers. Set of even prime number फक्त 2 आहे. 2 is only even prime number, म्हणून याच्यात देखील एक एलिमेंट आहे. This is not the empty set. Month of an English calendar having less than 30 days. मग असा कुठला महिना आहे की ज्यामध्ये त्याचे डेज हे 30 पेक्षा लेस असतात, that is a February. And the next, P is equals to in curly bracket X is such that X belongs to I and X lies between -1 and the +1. That element is 0. 0 हा कसा आहे तर तो -1 आणि प्लस मध्ये, म्हणून या सेट P मध्ये आपल्याला काय मिळेल तर एक एलिमेंट मिळणार आहे तर तो 0. Therefore again this set is not empty, this C is not empty, B is not empty, only the option A is a correct one. That is a when the two, that is a parallel lines do not intersect. Okay, these do not intersect. Therefore, set of intersecting points of parallel lines is empty set. Option A is the correct one. Next, find the correct option for the following question. Which of the following collection is a set? Colors of rainbow, tall trees in the school campus, rich people in the village, easy examples in the book. Okay. Tall trees, rich people, easy examples are relative terms and they differ from person to person. व्यक्ती परत्वे त्या कशा असतात तर ते बदलत जातात. एखाद्याची टॉलची कन्सेप्ट हा कमी अधिक असू शकतो. रिच असेल तर त्याचं रिच फिक्स आपण डेफिनेशन करू शकत नाही. इझी एक्झाम्पल, कोणाला एखादा एक्झाम्पल इझी जाणार असेल, कोणाला एखादा डिफिकल्ट एक्झाम्पल देखील त्याला इझी वाटत असेल. Therefore, tall trees, rich people, easy examples are relative terms. Means what? That differ from the person to person, and hence, therefore, these collections are not set. Okay. And then what will be the set? That is the colors of a rainbow. This is a set. हा फिक्स असणार आहे आणि तो आपल्याला माहिती आहे की क्विक बॉय आपण या ठिकाणी तो घेत असतो. Therefore, which of the following collection is a set? That is the colors of rainbow is a set. B, C, D. These are not set. Okay. Next example. Which of the following set represent n intersection W? N means what? Set of natural number. W means what? Set of whole number. Now the intersection of n and W is 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. B is a 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. C is only singleton element 0 and D is empty set. Now see this here. The number line. Here are the natural number 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Whole number 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. What about their intersection? Their intersection is nothing but 1. या दोघांचं इंटरसेक्शन काय असेल? कॉमन काय असेल? तर 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. होल नंबर मध्ये 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity असतं. नॅचरल नंबर मध्ये 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Therefore, their intersection is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinity. And hence, option A is a correct here. Okay. Now the next example. P is equals to in curly bracket x is such that x is letter of the word Indian. Then which of the following is a set P in listing form? म्हणजे काय येणार आहे? I, N, D, A या प्रकारे बघूया. First A, I, N, D. Second I, N, D, A. Second is I, N, D, I, A. I इथे रिपीट झालेला आहे. N, D, A इथे I नाही आहे. Therefore option B is the correct one. B option is the correct one. I, N, D, A. This represent all the elements of the word Indian. If T is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, M is equals to 3, 4, 7, 8 and then find T union M. दोघांचं union find out करायचं आपल्याला. Okay. The first is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. B is a 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 and D is a 3, 4. दोन्ही सेट्स आपल्याला युनियन करायचं आहे. Therefore the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the last is 7, 8. Therefore option C is a correct one. Next example. Out of 100 persons in a group, 72 persons speak English and 43 persons speak French. Each one out of 100 persons speaks at least one language. Then, how many speak only English? How many speak only French? How many of them speak English and French both? Now there are the 100 persons. या 100 पर्सन मध्ये कोणी ना सर्व 100च्या 100 पर्सन कुठली ना कुठली ते भाषा बोलत असतात. इंग्लिश, फ्रेंच, काही असे आहेत की ते दोन्ही बोलत असतात. बघूया आपण इथे. नाव द सोल्युशन. लेट इट बी द सेट ऑफ people speaking English. F, the set of people speaking French. Now see this by the Venn diagram. First, E, the set of the people who speak English. Next, F, set of people who speak French. English बोलणारे किती आहेत? तर 72. फ्रेंच बोलणारे किती आहेत? तर 43. ओके. आणि दोन्ही बोलणारे किती आहेत? दॅट इज द पर्सन हू स्पीक बोथ. म्हणजे काय करणार आपण इथे? 72 प्लस 43 minus 100, and that's equals to 15. Okay, and here the 15 persons who speak both English as well as French. Now the person who speak only English म्हणजे काय करणार आपण या 72 मधनं हे 15 मायनस करणार आणि the person who speak only English is 43 minus 15. Now see this here. 72 minus 15 is equals to 15. These are the person who speak only English. Next, French. 43 minus 15, that is equals to 28. Therefore, there are 28 persons who speak only French. Okay. या ठिकाणी आपल्याला असे बघायला मिळेल इंग्लिश आणि फ्रेंच दोन्ही बोलणारे किती आहेत तर 15. ओनली इंग्लिश 57, ओनली फ्रेंच 28. Okay. I will solve the example. 57 people speak only English. Next, 28 persons speak only French, and 15 people speak both the languages, that is English and French. Now we'll solve this example by using the formula n of e is equals to 72. These are the person who speak English. Nf, that is the number of the person who speak French. They are 43. All the 100 people speak one of the languages. Therefore, n of E union F is equals to 100. Now the formula n of E union F is equals to n of E plus n of F minus n of E intersection F. Okay. Now substitute the values in this formula. या फॉर्म्युल्यात values टाकणार. n of E union F is 100, n of E is 72, n of F is 43 minus n of E intersection F. Okay. Let's solve करना. 100 is equals to 72 plus 43, 115 minus n of E intersection F. Therefore, n of E intersection F is equals to 115 minus 100, that is equals to 15. N of E intersection F is equals to 15. These are the persons who speak English as well as French. Okay. Therefore, it means that the 15 people speak both the languages. The people who speak only English. मग इंग्लिश बोलणारे किती होते तर 72 आणि दोन्ही बोलणारे किती होते तर 15. Therefore, the people who speak only English is n of E minus n of E intersection F. Means what? 72 minus 15, that is equals to 57. Next, the people who speak only French, n of F minus n of E intersection F, that is 43 minus 15, then you will get 28. And hence, 15 people speak both the languages, 28 people speak only French, and 57 people speak only English. Therefore, the final answer is 57 people speak only English, 28 people speak only French, and 15 people speak both the languages. Okay. Now, next example. See this here. Now, the next example. 70 trees were planted by Parth and 90 trees were planted by Pradnya on occasion of Tree Plantation Week. Out of these, 25 trees were planted by both of them together. How many trees were planted by Parth or Pradnya? Okay. Now see this here. The first, आपण ते Venn diagram ने आधी बघूया. These are the number of the trees planted by Parth. ते किती आहे? The 70. Number of the trees planted by Pradnya 90. दोघांनी किती एकत्र केले ते प्लांटेशन 25 trees. Therefore, प्रज्ञाचे किती येणार? Only प्रज्ञा, that is at 70 minus 25. Parth 90 minus 25. Here you will get 45. Here you will get 65. and sum of 45, 25 plus 65, that is equals to 135. Okay. These are the trees, number of the trees planted by Parth or Pradnya. So here's example आपण फॉर्म्युलाने सोडवणार आहोत. Let P represent the number of the trees planted by Parth. N of P is equals to 70. Let A represent the number of the trees planted by Pradnya. N of A is equals to 90. 25 trees were planted by both. That N of P intersection A is equals to 25. दोघांनी एकत्र प्लांटेशन किती ट्रीज केले तर 25. नेक्स्ट N of P is equals to 70. N of P is equals to 70. N of P intersection A is 25. Therefore, by the formula, N of A is equals to 90. आपल्याला माहिती आहे त्या व्हॅल्यूज इथे सबस्टिट्यूट करणार इथे रिपीट लिहिले गेलेले. नेक्स्ट आपण N of A किती घेणार तर 90 घेणार. या व्हॅल्यूज आपण इथे सबस्टिट्यूट केल्या. The 70 plus 90 minus 25. Then you will get 160 minus 25. Therefore, the number of the trees planted by Pradnya or Parth is 135, or the number of the trees planted by Parth or Pradnya is 135. इथे N of P इथे रिपीट झालेला आहे त्याच्याऐवजी N of A is equals to 90 आपल्याला इथे घ्यायचं आहे. Okay. Now the next example. If N of A is equals to 20, N of B is 28, N of A union B is equals to 36, then N of A intersection B. डायरेक्ट फॉर्म्युलाने आपल्याला हे सॉल्व करता येईल. आपण सर्व त्या व्हॅल्यूज लिहिले आहेत. What is the formula? N of A union B is equals to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Substitute the values. 36 is equals to 20 plus 28 minus N of A intersection B. जी टोटल किती आली तर 48. 36 is equals to 48 minus N of A intersection B. Therefore, N of A intersection B is equals to 48 minus 36. Therefore, N of A intersection B is equals to 12. Okay, this is the required answer. N of A intersection B is equals to 12. Easy question है तो. Next example. In a class, 8 students out of 28 have only dog as pet animal at home. 6 students have only cat as a pet animal. 10 students have dog and cat both. Then how many students do not have a dog or cat as their pet animal at home? Okay. The total number of students किती आहेत तिथे तर 28 आहेत. बघूया one by one. Now see this here. These are the number of the student have the dog as a pet animal as 8. Next cat किती आहेत तर ते 6 आहेत. 10 students have dog and cat both. ते 10 student आपण इथे घेतले आणि या सगळ्यांची टोटल करणार इथे. Okay, that is 10 plus 8 18 plus 6, then you will get 24. Total number of the student किती आहेत तर 28 आहेत. 28 मधनं 24 गेले तर किती येणार तर 4. There are the 4 students who do not have dog or cat as their pet animal at home. या प्रकारे तुम्ही ते लक्षात ठेवू शकताय. Okay. Now the next. Let D denote the number of students having dog as pet and C denote the number of students having cat as a pet. Okay. Next. D is equals to the number of the student having only dog as a pet plus those having dogs and cats as a pet. म्हणजे 8 plus इथे 10 होणार. Therefore, N of D is equals to 8 plus 10, 18. Okay, these are the number of the students who have dog as a pet animal. हे किती आहेत तर 18 आहे. Next, similarly, N of C is equals to 6 plus 10. and that is equals to 16. The number of the student having both dogs and cat as, that is the n of d intersection c is equals to 10. Therefore, n of d union c is equals to n of d plus n of c minus n of d intersection c. म्हणजे त्यामध्ये असणारे डॉग ॲज वेल ॲज कॅट असणारे नंबर ऑफ द स्टुडंट किती आहेत ते आपल्याला शोधायचं आहे. Therefore here 18 plus 16 minus their intersection, which is a 10. 18 plus 16, 34 minus 10, and that is equals to 24. Therefore n of d union c is equals to 24. Okay, and hence the number of the students who do not have a dog or cat as pet is equals to n of u, that is the number of elements, number of the student minus n of d union c, that is the dog and the cat as a pet, number of the student who have dog and cat as a pet animal. N of u means what? Number of the student, they are there 28, and n of d union c means what? These are the student, हे असे विद्यार्थी आहेत की ज्यांच्याकडे डॉग आणि cat as a pet animals आहेत. They are 24, 28 minus 24, that is equals to 4. And hence the 4 students do not have a dog or a cat as a pet. Next, represent the union of two sets by Venn diagram for each of the following. आता यामध्ये कॉमन किती येणार? A आणि B मध्ये 4 हा कॉमन एलिमेंट आहे. The first circle, second A set, B set, 4 is a common. आता A मधले सगळे एलिमेंट्स घेणार 3, 5, 7. आता B मध्ये 1 and 8. Okay, in this way we will represent the union of the two sets by Venn diagram for set A and B. Next example, P is equals to, in curly bracket, A, B, C, E, F, Q is equals to L, M, N, E, B, P set, and the next is a Q. The common elements are, okay, E and B, and now the remaining elements are of the P are A, C, F. Okay. Next, the remaining elements of the set Q are L, M, N. Okay. And in this way, we have represented the set P and Q by Venn diagram. Next example, X is equals to, in curly bracket, X is such that X is prime number between 80 and 100. Therefore, the prime number between 80 and 100 is 83, 89, 97. Y is equals to, in curly bracket, Y is such that Y is odd number between 90 and 100. या दोघातले आपल्याला odd number पाहिजे. 91, 93, 95, 97, 99. Okay. Now we'll show by the Venn diagram. The first X set, and here is a Y set. Now the common elements between X and Y is only 97, and the remaining elements of the set X are 83, 89. Remaining elements of set Y is a 91, 93, 95, 99, and in this way we have represented the set X and Y by the Venn diagram. Now the next example, write the subset relation between the following sets. X is equals to set of quadrilaterals, Y is a set of rhombuses, S is set of squares, T is a set of parallelograms, V is a set of rectangles. Okay, see this here the picture. Quadrilateral ने आपण इथे सुरुवात केलेली आहे. Next, quadrilateral नंतर trapezoid. Okay, trapezium पण म्हटलं जातं त्याला. Trapezium. Next, parallelogram. पॅरेललोग्राम दोन याच्यात स्प्लिट अप होत असतं, rhombus and rectangle, and the lastly we have here the square. Okay, now the first is 1 by 1 quadrilateral is denoted by x here. Next is a parallelogram is denoted by t. Rhombus is y, म्हणजे जे आपल्याला इथे सिम्बॉल दिलेत त्यानुसार आपण इथे डिनोट केलेले. रेक्टँगल इज v and square is s. ओके, आता या ठिकाणी s हा y चा सबसेट आहे. s is subset of y, s is subset of v, s is subset of t, s is subset of x. Next, y is a subset of t, v is a subset of t, and the next y is a subset of x, y is a subset of v, and the lastly t is a subset of x. या प्रकारे means what? Every square is a rhombus, every square is a rectangle. Next, every square is a quadrilateral. या प्रकारे तुम्हाला ते लिहिता येईल. Now see this one by one. Y is a subset of x, s is subset of x, t is a subset of x, y is a subset of x, s is subset, v is a subset of x, s is subset of y, v is a subset of t, y is a subset of t. Okay. या प्रकारे तुम्ही ते लिहू शकता. S is subset of V. Okay. Now the next example. If M is any set, then write M union phi. Phi is empty set. आता एक गोष्ट या ठिकाणी लक्षात ठेवायची की प्रत्येक सेट मध्ये phi हा empty set असतो. Therefore M union phi and that is nothing but M. But M intersection phi that is equals to phi. या दोघातलं कॉमन काय तर m मध्ये पण phi असतो आणि phi. Therefore m intersection phi is phi, but m union phi that is equals to m. Now next, example number 10. Observe the Venn diagram and write the given set. First U, A, B, A union B, A intersection B. आता U आपल्याला लिहायचं आहे the set of the universal sets सगळा. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. Okay. What about the A? A मध्ये काय घेणार? 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. This is the A. B, 1, 5, 8, 9, 10. This is the B. Their union. Okay. Union is a 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. A union B. What about their intersection? A intersection B is a 1 and 5. Okay. And this is the required answer. Now next problem. If n of A is equals to 7, n of B is 13, n of A intersection B is equals to 4, then find n of A union B. या ठिकाणी आपल्याला फॉर्म्युला अप्लाय करायचा आहे. n of A union B is equals to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Substitute the value 7 plus 13 minus 4. 7 plus 13 that is a 20 minus 4 that is equals to 16. Therefore n of A union B is equals to 16. Okay. And in this way we have completed the problem set first. Now we will see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.